video, we're exploring how organizations monitor both mandatory and non-mandatory employee training, and why this responsibility is far more strategic than it may initially appear. Monitoring training is not about control, it is about clarity. It gives HR and leadership visibility into whether employees are building the knowledge and skills required to perform effectively. Without monitoring, training becomes an isolated event, something employees attend and quickly move past. With monitoring, training becomes integrated into performance management, risk mitigation, and long-term workforce planning. This is where HR moves from administration to strategy. Effective monitoring allows HR to answer high-level organizational questions. Are compliance deadlines being met? Are managers completing the leadership training required to effectively supervise their teams? Are their departments consistently falling behind in skill development? Is our learning investment translating into improved productivity, engagement, or retention? When we cannot answer these questions with data, we cannot lead strategically. Monitoring provides the insight necessary to make informed workforce decisions. One of the most powerful tools for monitoring training is a human resource management system, or HRM platform. While these systems are often associated with payroll or benefits, modern HRM systems include comprehensive learning management capabilities. They centralize data, automate administrative processes, and provide real-time reporting. Instead of relying on spreadsheets or manual tracking, HR can leverage structured systems that increase efficiency and reduce errors. This technology enables HR to manage training proactively rather than reactively. Centralized record keeping creates one reliable source of truth. Training completions, certification dates, renewal requirements, and assessment results are stored in a single system accessible to HR and leadership. This is especially important in regulated industries where documentation may be requested during audits or legal proceedings. Accurate records reduce administrative burden, improve transparency, and protect the organization from compliance exposure. Scheduling training across multiple teams, locations, or work shifts can be operationally complex. HRM systems streamline this process by allowing HR to assign courses, automate enrollment, send reminders, and monitor attendance in real time. Automation reduces missed deadlines and eliminates the need for constant manual follow-up. This efficiency allows HR professionals to focus on strategic oversight rather than administrative coordination. Compliance monitoring is one of HR's most significant risk management responsibilities. By tracking mandated training and renewal timelines, organizations ensure they meet federal, state, and industry requirements. Failure to properly document training completion can result in financial penalties, litigation risk, or reputational damage. Accurate tracking and documentation are not simply administrative tasks, they are legal safeguards. Monitoring becomes truly strategic when we analyze training data rather than simply record it. HR can examine trends in completion rates, assessment scores, and participation across departments. For example, if one division consistently struggles with compliance deadlines, that may indicate leadership or workload challenges. If leadership development participants demonstrate improved engagement scores or promotion rates, that data strengthens the case for continued investment. Data analysis transforms monitoring into insight. HRM systems also support accountability and engagement. When employees can see their required courses, track their progress, and receive timely reminders, expectations become clear. Managers can monitor their team's development and reinforce completion deadlines during performance conversations. When the process is transparent and accessible, training participation improves. Monitoring should extend beyond mandatory compliance training. Optional development programs, such as leadership academies, technical certifications, or cross-functional skill workshops, should also be tracked. Participation in these programs can signal engagement, readiness for advancement, and succession potential. Tracking this data supports workforce planning and internal mobility strategies. Ultimately, monitoring training ensures alignment between employee capability and organizational strategy. When HR leverages structured systems, accurate data, and thoughtful analysis, training management evolves from a reactive administrative task into a proactive strategic function. It strengthens performance, reduces risk, supports succession planning, and prepares the organization for future growth. That is the true value of monitoring employee training.